this is our town, and it's got all sorts of buildings. What's this, Trenton?
It's like a little hut or whatever.
It's a bunker, right?
Yeah, a bunker for this occasion.
What's this?
Water tower.
Is there water in there?
And it's full of water, right?
No
Yeah.
way. So it should melt all over.
Mm-hmm.
That might fly up.
Yeah, that's
So the tanks are coming to attack the town.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These are
We're
just buildings
driving
over
these,
here. You guys are driving those too?
Yeah.
So tanks will come in, and there's a barricade here that's going to start on fire with some fake water back in there.
No, it's
A little guard shack.
yeah, and there's a bridge. It's gonna be a road or whatever.
Wow, that's awesome, guys. Okay, all I can say is you better put a little lighter fluid on there and get out of there. Pretty amazing. So they're going to go like this. Right?
Exactly.
Awesome. Can't wait to
We
see
need
this.
one right here.
Okay.
Well, we
Remember,
need.
they're gonna drive forward, so.
Wow, look at it go. It blew its top, man.
Yeah, caught one of the tanks.
Step back, Trent. Don't get too close. This is destruction world here.
Or just light one of your skyscrapers that's made of paper. Let's get flame going there.
Blow on it.
Get some heat.
Good music to go with this.
Mm-hmm.
We need to get a few more things.
Caught the other one on fire.
The city's on fire. The city's on
There's a firework in that one. Guys, there's a
better.
firework in that one.
There is? What's in there?
In the small one. Guys, the water is burning.
Water
The
tower.
water tower is burning.
Water tower. Then the city doesn't stand a chance. The accordion building is on fire.
Yeah, this is really impressive.
Uh-oh, the water one's gonna come out.
I'll never forget. Oh, there goes the water.
Woo! All right, accordion building's down.
Oh, well, the water's evaporating.
Oh, wow. The water's evaporating right out of there.
There's the water's coming out.
We need to get one more firework. We need to get one more.
Nope, there's the water. It's trying to stop the city from burning. Oh, it looks like you've got a couple of sparklers you should light up.
Throw a fountain into it.
Oh, you're lighting the.
Yeah, go put a fountain in it and let it pull up onto it.
Yeah, the rocks would burn.
Get the sparklers and set them on one fire over there. Devastation. Destruction. Destruction.
Oh.
War.
Yeah, you didn't light that sucker.
Oh, get out of there. Step back.
Guys, burn that one house. Burn the one house that's still up. Because there's a firework in there.
Dance over to the side. You're standing right in front of all of us. Oh, there's a parachute. Which one does that?
The parachute.
Is it only one?
Hayden, I'm gonna wait.
It's this building right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's heading to the other side.
Wait, Sage, I would wait until the city's done.
Yeah, but
Is there a smoke bomb
yeah.
going on?
Hayden, it's a long time since we've seen
big part just blew off and was like,
Trent, you help make this thing? Well, it's quite impressive.
You can't escape now. Now we have a fire. Guys, the water is still
ash
burning.
building still stands. Nothing can take it down.
It's a good advertisement. Okay, step back, Trent.
Oh, guys.
It was a war to end all wars. War, horrible destruction, devastation. It laid waste to tanks across the land. Many great men gave their lives to the cardboard. Don't put any more parachutes in there.